Last year, it was really hot here in Texas, and I mean fire hot. But this year, we're ready for it. In this video, I'll talk about 5 ways that we are staying cool this summer, and that's without blowing up our power bill. Stay to the end because I'm going to give up a bonus tip. So let's do this. For day YouTube, welcome back to my channel, Chandler's Retirement Live. I'm Chandler, and if this is your first time here, I hope you would consider subscribing to the channel. And if you find the content useful, please like and share it with others. Today we're talking about ways to stay cool during the summer heat without blowing up our power bill. But before we get there, I wanted to talk about a couple of other things. One, it has to do with the creatures that are outside as well. You know, in those hot, dry summer months, especially here in Texas, it gets really dry. And we got to remember that there are a lot of wildlife outside that might need water to sustain them. So consider putting a bucket of water outside for them to drink. And if you have animals inside, keep watch. We have a couple of cats, and one of the things that my wife bought that keeps the cats pretty cool is this cool blanket. Bought it at Walmart. Great thing. Cats love it. They'll lay on it, and it keeps them cool during the hot summer months. So, without further ado, let's get into ways to stay cool without blowing up our power bill. At number 5, we are diverting all our outside work, such as cutting the grass, landscaping, gardening. We're diverting all that to early morning hours only. And for us, that's before 10 a.m. And if it gets too hot, I'll just hire someone to cut our grass. Remember, safety first. At least that's what I'll tell the wife. Number 4. Old curtains are blackout curtains, and they are kept closed. Lights are off. Electronics that we aren't using are turned off, such as the TV. If we're not watching it, off it goes. It's amazing how much heat a TV can put out. Number 3, hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. I prefer vitamin water, and I'll slow down on drinking coffee and hot green tea. Number 2, taking a cold shower right before bed, or, whenever we get overheated. Not that cold, that cold. That's the fastest way I have learned to cool down. Number 1, smaller, lighter meals that include fruit. When you eat too heavy, your body has to produce more energy in order to digest that food. So smaller, lighter foods, like a salad, a fruit salad, that would be perfect. So those are 5 ways to stay cool during the summer months without blowing up your power bill. And since you stayed to the end, I want to give you 2 more bonus tips. First bonus tip has to do with your ceiling fan. If you have a ceiling fan, make sure your ceiling fan is rotating in the right direction. That is, during the summer months, it should be counterclockwise. During the winter months, it's actually clockwise. So make sure that it's rotating in the right direction. You can easily tell if you stand underneath the fan during the summer months, it should be blowing air on you. The second bonus tip has to do with cooking. One thing that can heat up the house quicker than anything else is if you use your oven or your stove. So for us, majority of our cooking is done outside on the barbecue grill. We can fry out there, we can barbecue, we can do just about anything we want out there, and it doesn't heat up the house. Those are our way of staying cool this summer without blowing up our power bill. If you have a unique way, please mention that in the comments. And if this is your first time and you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing, like, and share. And as always, this is Chandler signing off. Now let's blow this up.